Morning mist drifts slowly above Machu Picchu terraces. The Urubamba River curves silently below, reflecting silver light through jungle wrapped tightly around steep canyon walls. Narrow terraces descend gracefully across the mountainside. Huayna Picchu rises dramatically behind the ruins. Golden sunlight touches temple walls slowly. Stone stairways climb carefully toward hidden corners where soft grass sways gently between ancient, weathered foundations. Morning fog lifts gradually from surrounding peaks, revealing layered mountains fading softly into pale blue atmospheric distance. The Temple of the Sun glows beautifully beneath early light, its curved stonework illuminated against drifting mountain mist. The jungle below breathes softly through moving fog. A condor glides silently above the valley. Warm sunlight filters carefully through scattered clouds. The sound of distant river water echoes upward softly, blending naturally with mountain wind and rustling alpine grasses. Even the shadows feel beautiful here, stretching quietly across terraces beneath skies glowing with endless cinematic depth. Machu Picchu feels less like ruins and more like light itself. Warm morning light touches Huayna Picchu beautifully. Far below, dense forests shift gently beneath wind, their layered canopies glowing in endless shades of jade. A condor circles slowly above mountain ridges, wings catching warm sunlight against pale clouds drifting through open sky. The Urubamba River reflects afternoon skies beautifully. Blue shadows gather gradually across the valley floor, while surrounding peaks continue holding warm, golden evening sunlight above. Stars emerge gradually above the mountains, their reflections faintly visible within dark river curves far below terraces. Moonlight touches ancient pathways softly, revealing polished granite edges beside grass glowing with cool silver nighttime brightness.
They are beautiful against the sky.
This blanket is made from real alpaca wool, very warm.
It's beautiful. How much is this one?
A woven textile vendor arranges bright alpaca fabrics carefully beside stone streets.
You have to try these empanadas. They are incredible.
I was just telling him about the view from the trail.
Farmers tend terraced fields carefully, their woven hats glowing softly beneath broad skies and drifting white mountain clouds. Golden corn dries beneath adobe rooftops.
This tapestry is made from real alpaca wool. It is very warm.
How much are you asking for it?
Wow, that looks amazing. We have to try some. Yeah, let's get a couple of skewers.
Travelers watch clouds moving gracefully around distant emerald mountain ridges beyond. A local painter sketches Machu Picchu quietly beneath blossoms moving softly through cool evening mountain air nearby tonight.
Mira las piedras. Son increíbles.
Sí, mi abuelo decía que contaban historias. Buenas noches.
Qué hermosa está la calle.
The jasmine is blooming beautifully this year.
Yes, it smells wonderful with the fire. Would you like more tea? Please, thank you.
How much for the greens today?
2 yuan per kati. They are very fresh this morning.
Valley catches warm afternoon light beautifully, turning flowing irrigation channels into ribbons of liquid gold below. Cornfields shimmer gently beneath broad skies, while distant adobe homes glow warmly against surrounding mountain ridges beyond today. In San Blas, drifting music rises gently through hidden courtyards filled with cedar fragrance and flowering balcony gardens tonight. The final condor circles slowly homeward against glowing clouds washed delicately with warm rose twilight tonight. Ancient terraces disappear gradually into shadow, while their elegant mountain geometry remains visible beneath fading evening light afterward. Along Paracas, ocean waves continue softly beneath cliffs glowing deep crimson against cool blue Pacific evening horizons tonight. These moments never disappear completely. They return unexpectedly through light, texture, color, and reflections across weathered granite surfaces. Peru remains like mist across mountains at sunrise, briefly visible yet somehow lasting forever within memory and light afterward.